Good morning. I hope you know who I am. Tabhi you're watching this. Yeah. Guess what the time is right now? It's 3:30 p.m.
अजीब जानवर है.
I was kind of working all night. I did not finish it, but जितना हुआ. Yeah, then I slept in the morning. अभी उठा मैं. Since I live alone, and as per the last video, you know.
रेडी है. पहले मेरी हैंडसम शक्ल दे. अच्छी है ना?
My friend who came over for a week left for Mumbai. So again, back to being alone. So while editing this video, you know what I realized? A year ago, my life was so not like this. It was very boring. All I did was sit at home and just exist. And now when I'm looking at all this footage, you know what I'm seeing? Things have changed. The Samanvay who stayed at home all day, who did not socialize, the Samanvay who was comfortable in his own company, who loved being alone, now wanted company. Now when I look at all this footage, I really feel like I've come a long way. From going to Mumbai, to going to Goa, to meeting YouTubers, then meeting more YouTubers, then going to a YouTube shoot for a very big YouTuber in the behind the scene. I was not in the video, but I was there. And then again, my friend coming over, then we meeting new people, then we meeting more new people, then we having a house party. That was cool. I might shift to a new place, maybe with more people, or just alone, or just to a different city. Nothing is confirmed, but that's the best part. I don't know what's coming next. Look at the weather, bro. Like, it's just so pretty. As much as I like summers, your mood is better, you're more jolly. Winters se compare karo to, but the garmi, the chip. Oh, if you live in Mumbai, wahan pe you know the humidity. Delhi side, it's more like tapti hui garmi. You like. The weather is pretty good. See, you can't even see the sun because it's covered by the clouds. So I'm gonna try to make the focus on yesterday. I was like, bro, I'll take a nap and I'll get up, I'll take a shower, I'll go to the gym, then I'll come back. I have this brand collab I have to do, but I fell asleep. So my current to do is I just had a talk with Sumayd. You just saw that. Hello Sumayd, if you're watching. God, I have so much work, but the current priority is finish the brand edit and then watching these clips made me realize that old unemployed Samanvay who's still unemployed but now he has a purpose. He is doing something. He is moving towards a direction. Yo, I was watching a movie and an earthquake just came. So I just went to my balcony and I saw the whole society downstairs. And this is the first time I've seen people from my society all at once. It's mostly like you see 2 people, 3 people walking, that's all. This is the first time I've seen so many people in my society. I'm like, wow, itne log rehte bhi hain yahan pe. See bro, look at the amount of people. Bro, kitne log hain? Mero ko nahi pata tha mere society mein itne bhi log rehte hain. But yeah. My friend called me asking, oh my god, did you feel the earthquake? And वो बोलते ही earthquake आया. And I was like, oh shit. Bro, like imagine all this turns into a movie. एक और आया, सब नीचे. Okay, no negative thinking, but yeah. I'm a filmmaker, so I think about this, you know. All these visual. Okay, stop. Cut to the next clip. Hi. So, my life has been like a roller coaster for the past year or two. Lots of socializing, fun, and then stagnant, boring, sitting at home all day. Then again, going out to a new city with my friends, then stagnant. Whatever it is, it's fun. I'm glad that I'm going through it. Changes have been happening in life, you know? And I think that is how it should be. Otherwise, you'll be at the same place forever. Someone said to me that if you want to grow in life, you have to embrace change. Otherwise, you'll always stay in your comfort zone and you never would have known where your life would have led to. Peace.